Hey there! Are you looking for a delicious, convenient, and effective way to lose weight, boost your energy, and improve your overall health? Well, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're going to dive into something that's been transforming lives and health across the globe, the smoothie diet. I'm going to explain exactly what the smoothie diet is, the amazing benefits it offers, and why it could be the perfect solution for your health and fitness goals. By the end of this video, you'll definitely want to click the link in the description below to get started on your own smoothie journey. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. So let's get started. What is the smoothie diet? The smoothie diet is a unique, easy-to-follow weight loss program that focuses on consuming nutrient-packed smoothies for a significant portion of your daily meals. It's designed to be a flexible plan that fits into your lifestyle, helping you shed unwanted pounds, boost your metabolism, and give your body the nutrients it craves, all while enjoying delicious, refreshing smoothies. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't that just another fad diet? Absolutely not. The beauty of the smoothie diet is that it's not about starving yourself or cutting out all your favorite foods. Instead, it's about adding more wholesome ingredients to your diet through smoothies that not only taste amazing but are also incredibly nutritious. You get the benefits of fruits, veggies, proteins, and healthy fats all blended into a simple, convenient drink. Plus, the plan is easy to stick to, making it ideal for people with busy lifestyles. First up, and probably the most popular reason people try the smoothie diet, is its incredible ability to help with weight loss. By replacing 1 or 2 meals with smoothies each day, you're significantly reducing your calorie intake while still providing your body with essential nutrients. This combination makes it easier to create a calorie deficit, which is key to burning fat and losing weight. The great thing is, the smoothies you'll be enjoying aren't just low in calories. They're also packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber that will help keep you feeling full and satisfied. So, no more mid-afternoon cravings or reaching for unhealthy snacks. Benefit number 2, improved digestion. A second fantastic benefit of the smoothie diet is improved digestion. Many people suffer from bloating, gas, and other digestive issues because their diets lack sufficient fiber. Smoothies, especially when packed with ingredients like spinach, kale, and chia seeds, are loaded with fiber, which helps regulate your digestive system. Not only does this make you feel lighter and more energized, but it also ensures your body is able to absorb the nutrients it needs to function at its best. Benefit number 3, increased energy levels. If you're someone who often feels sluggish or low on energy throughout the day, the smoothie diet can be a game changer. By consuming nutrient-dense smoothies filled with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, you'll be fueling your body with natural energy. Unlike processed foods or sugary snacks that give you a quick energy spike followed by a crash, smoothies provide sustained energy. The mix of fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats gives your body the fuel it needs to keep you going strong all day long. Benefit number 4, better skin and hair. One benefit of the smoothie diet that you might not expect is how it can improve your skin and hair. Many of the ingredients in smoothie recipes, like berries, avocado, and leafy greens, are rich in vitamins like A and C, which are essential for healthy skin. You'll notice a reduction in breakouts, your skin will look more radiant, and even your hair will feel stronger and shinier. The hydration you get from drinking smoothies also plays a huge role in maintaining healthy, glowing skin. Benefit number 5, detoxification. Your body is constantly working to detoxify itself, but sometimes it needs a little help. The smoothie diet is great for giving your system a natural detox. Many of the fruits and vegetables used in smoothies, like lemon, ginger, and leafy greens, have detoxifying properties that help flush out toxins and cleanse your system. This not only aids in weight loss and better digestion, but also gives you that overall feeling of being rejuvenated and refreshed. Benefit number 6, convenience. One of the biggest challenges people face with any diet or health plan is finding the time to prepare meals. That's where the smoothie diet really shines. Making a smoothie takes just a few minutes, And you can even prepare ingredients in advance and store them in the fridge or freezer. It's a quick, easy way to get a healthy meal or snack without spending hours in the kitchen. And let's be honest, we all have those days when life gets busy. Whether you're rushing out the door in the morning or need a quick lunch on the go, a smoothie can be your nutritious and tasty solution. So, now that we've covered all these incredible benefits, you're probably thinking, this sounds great, but can it really work for me? Absolutely. The smoothie diet has helped thousands of people around the world lose weight, improve their energy, and feel healthier overall. Whether you're trying to drop a few pounds, kickstart a healthier lifestyle, or simply incorporate more nutrients into your daily diet, this plan is designed for people just like you. And the best part? You don't have to make any drastic changes to your current routine. The smoothie diet is easy to follow, flexible, and totally sustainable. If you're ready to experience these incredible benefits for yourself, don't wait. Click the link in the description below to learn more about the smoothie diet and how you can get started today. With delicious, easy-to-make smoothies, you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you in no time. Remember, the sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. So go ahead, hit that link, and let's get blending. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay smooth with the smoothie diet.